guys, I want to unbox something. Yes, I've been in a depressive state, which means I have no excitement over anything. I don't want to go out. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. It just seems all there. But something arrived, and I want to share this with you guys. We have this bag. This is in the bag. Now, I can assume that you assumed what this already is. The story of this came about when... So, without further ado, I will introduce to you my Canon EOS M200. This is the first time I'm ever gentle with unwrapping anything. Oh yeah. But you know, I'm just so happy that I can be gentle today. It's the white one. I was hoping for a black one, but I guess it's the white one based on what I'm seeing on the box. Wow. It smells like box. I was expecting, you know, a brand new smell. It just smells like a box. Okay, whatever. So here we have the warranty guarantee. I'm one person that likes to read, so I will be reading the get started manual thingy. There's a lot of do not here. There's a lot of do not.
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't have an SD card. I wonder if I can put my phone. No, I'm not risking that. Alright, enough of that. I'll read that at a later date. I bet y'all just waiting to see the camera.
Angry.
So this is the battery charger. I told y'all I wasn't gentle. So this is where it goes into the wall. The battery goes here. This, I'm presuming, is the lens. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분. I'm gonna use these bubble wrap later, cause why is the bubble wrap not bubble wrapping? What is going on? What is this abomination? The bubble wrap ain't bubble wrapping. Whatever. Wow, this feels fancy. This feels very, very fancy. This is a cover. Oh, this is a dust cap. This is a dust cap. This is a lens. Let's have you look more clearly at that. Dust cap, lens. It feels so slick on my hands. I'm not even kidding. This is the strap. A red and black strap. Okay, so this is obviously not coordinated. This is like gray. This is a black and red strap and a white camera. Things that aren't color coordinated kind of gets to me, but I guess it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Another day, another time. This is the battery. So this is what I need to put on the charge right now. So I'll put this on the charge right now. What we've all been waiting for. The camera. Box is not empty. Bye. Are y'all seeing this? Are you seeing what I am seeing? This is very, very awesome. So obviously it's not going to turn on at the moment because the battery is charging. But look at this. This is one sexy camera. I mean, probably it's because I've never owned a camera. That's why I'm reacting like this. But you know, this feels sexy. This feels very sexy. So let's start by taking off this. So it's a mirrorless camera. If that's what this square things means, a that word, camera. And if I'm not wrong, it fits here. Is it like this? Did I not read the instruction right on how to put this in? Oh, okay. This was the front part. This was the front part of the lens. I did not know that the lens had a separate cover. Dum Zaros. Or should I say me? Because I'm assuming y'all don't want to be a part of me. Why is this not going down? Okay. I just heard it click and wow, this is quite the weight. This is legit. Where there's a will, there's a way. This is where, oh, this is a fill light. This is a fill light here. This is where the battery goes in, at the bottom here. Who needs manual when you have brains? Me. I do. I do. And this is the SD card slot that I didn't think so far ahead to get.
Aha!
Another day, another time. But yes. Yes. So I'll come back and there's a battery to put in this because I obviously didn't think so far ahead. Y'all think I'm smart, don't you? Me too. I think I'm very, very smart.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I am back. I read the manual. I learned nothing from the manual, so we're back to trial and error. So I don't have an SD card for this. Obviously, I can't put in the SD card. I did attach the strap that came with it. As I said, I don't like the color coordination, so I'll probably take it off because I'm that tormented. The battery is officially finished charging, so we're gonna put it in now. This is okay. Then at the top we have the on button, so let's switch it on. It's telling me to set date and time. Is it a touchscreen? It is a touchscreen. What year are we in? 2023 sounds about right. Okay. Oh, I forgot to take it. I was here wondering why the screen was blank. But then I remembered the cover was on. Why am I still not seeing anything? Hold on. I don't even know what this is pointing at. What are you looking at? Let me try with the lens. Because it's supposed to be able to... A camera is supposed to be able to work without a lens. Am I right? I'm too stupid for this. Honestly. I don't know. Am I stupid? Is that what's happening? Update. It is working with the lens. So it's not the camera. The problem is with me. But this is some good quality though. This is a lovely quality. I am liking what I am seeing. Lovely. Anyways, yeah. So this is me and my camera, and you will be seeing more of us in our videos. You're seeing yourself. I am very satisfied. I would like to thank my sponsors. Without them, none of this would be possible. So first, I would like to thank my mom. And I would like to thank my dad for giving me courage. I'd like to thank everybody on my YouTube channel for, you know, giving me the vibe to continue videoing. So yes, this was me unboxing my new camera that I'll be filming videos on. I look forward to it. Thank you for coming on this journey with me to unbox this. It was chaotic, I know, but don't worry, it's not broken. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, and comment.
Shayde.